Good morning, Yuvraj sir and Prakash sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Ratna sir.
How are you, sir, today?
We are fine, sir. And you, sir?
I'm also fine, thank you. So today also we are gathering here for the program as usual. Let's discuss about our schools rules and regulations are already we have been already discussed earlier. Today I'm going to just ask only some of the important questions, please. If you don't mind, I would like to ask the first question to our respected founder, Mr. Yuvraj sir.
Thank you.
What-
Please, sir, please.
What is assembly and what are the types of assemblies are there, sir?
Thank you, Ratna sir. Nice questions for me. The assembly is a special gathering, sitting, or meeting of whole members, related office or school,
Yes, sir.
in proper time, in proper place,
Yes, sir.
proper punctuality.
Punctuality, yes, sir.
Yes, there are many types of assembly.
Yes, sir.
And they are like army's assembly, school assembly,
Yes, sir.
communities assembly, like many types there are assembly.
Yes,
Here
sir.
I am going to say something about schools assembly.
Yes, sir.
Especially there are three types of school assembly. They are morning assembly or opening or starting assembly, then closing assembly and special assembly.
Yes, sir.
In the morning assembly, all participators or member are share their greetings, wishes.
Wishes.
Then they pray to good day or good study.
Yes, sir.
Then all of them regulate their physical exercise.
Exercise.
Then they all participate many types of segment,
Yes, sir.
like thoughts for today talent show like this.
sir.
And closing assembly, all over participator, all members share their overall day experience, and they will make the next time plan or for the next day plan. And in special assembly, authorized person or office provide the emergency or necessary notice, advice,
Sir.
and authorized person give the lecture like this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for the good tips. So, same way, I would like to put one question to our respected principal from from Baby Care Boarding School, our Prakash sir.
Okay, sir.
So, how do you conduct your morning assembly, please?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for your questions. We have 30 minutes or half an hour time for the morning assembly. We think morning assembly is most special class for teaching and learning activities.
Yes, sir.
So we have divided into 6 segments for the morning assembly, which start from at 9:30 p.m. Our first segment is PT segment. In this segment, our students shall participate 5 minutes time for the PT segment.
Yes, sir.
Next segment is song segment. In this segment includes the different varieties of song which are related to our schools.
Yes, sir.
National anthem. National anthem is the national pride of the nations.
Yes, sir.
After the national anthem, our students should respect and salute for the nations. Next song is morning prayer song. Morning prayer song make the peaceful and beautiful environment to teaching and learning for teachers and students. Next song is pledge song. Pledge song help to make the good character or good attitude to the students. Next song is welcome song.
Yes, sir.
Welcome song, welcome to new parents, teachers, new any persons. And next song is school song. School song represent and respect to the schools. And our next segment is daily routine segment. In this segment includes the different varieties of activities which are performed by our students. Thoughts for day present by our students and identify day of the day. And another is GK round made by our students. questions are related to their course, and other is top 5 news. Top 5 news also made by our students. In top 5 news includes the national top 5 incidents of the day.
Yes,
Other
sir.
one, morning speech. Morning speech also performed by our students. Other one, next segment is WH question segment. In this segment, it includes the different varieties of the basic questions.
Yes, sir.
Next segment is a special message segment. In this segment, our teacher staff deliver the special message to our students. And
Sir.
last segment is a student presentation segment. In this segment, our student perform the different varieties of activities like ramps, dance, recite notes, etc.
Yes, sir.
In individual and in group. Then at 10 p.m. we start our regular class. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your nice answers. The same way, I would like to ask one more question to our founder, respected founder, Yuvraj sir.
Please, sir, please.
There are so many schools here around here in our locality, our community here.
Yeah,
Government schools are located here.
private school.
Private schools are also here all around. So there are so many schools in our Keplasgari. Every schools have their own rules and regulations to conduct their assemblies. Actually, what is the importance of assembly, please?
Thank you so much, sir. Assemblies importance or value are more.
Yes, sir.
Here I am going to say about some words for value of assembly.
Yes, sir.
The student life and school administrations for many important for the assembly.
Yes, sir.
The school assembly would be maintain their discipline, students and schools whole staff.
Whole staff,
Then the school assembly would be refresh the school rules and regulation.
Yes, sir.
Then the school assembly would be regulate the physical segment. Like this, the school assembly give the chance to run out or to flash the many types of talent of kids.
Yes, yes.
And the school assembly give the chance to provide the from office or from the authorized person many types notice advice like this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Very much for your informative answers. The same way, the last question I want to put for our principal, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, how do you conduct your closing assembly, please?
Thank you, sir, for your questions. We have only 10-minute time for the closing assembly, in which time we review and recall the all-day activities performed by
Sir.
our students. Then our students should participate in closing prayer song. Then our students say thanks for teachers, parents, and whole school environment. Then our students should participate in the bye-bye song. Then at 4 a.m. we close our school. Thank you, sir.
4 a.m., 4 p.m. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Many thanks to you, Ratna sir, for your collaboration. We
Thank you
shall
very
meet
much.
another episode or another video. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.